Have you ever had a new idea that you were super excited about? Like, for example, the best idea for a theme party, or a new business idea, something that you're sure is going to take off. If you see an Ace of Wands in a reading, the querent is likely super excited about pursuing something new. For those of you that don't know me, my name is Carrie, and I have a podcast called Learn and Memorize Tarot, which helps people learn and remember the meaning of tarot cards through an audio program. It uses symbolism and repetition while they go do their chores, they go for walks, or they go on road trips. I've been shy about getting behind the camera and using my voice. So this segment, I'm going to try something new. I'm going to walk you through 3-card spreads on all the cards. This spread is going to be the past, present, and future. This will give you some ideas on how to interpret the cards in a spread. I'd also like to encourage you to check out my podcast. The podcast covers more information on each card, whereas this episode is covering more about the card in the past, present, and future spread. The links to the podcast are all down below. Now let's get into it. When you see the Ace of Wands in the past position, that means an idea or a passion project that they had in the past is now directly affecting their present. Whereas when you see the Ace of Wands in the present position, that means that the querent has an idea right now that they are super excited about. In the future position in the spread, this is going to lead to an idea that they're going to have in the future that they're going to be super excited about. And again, this will be a passion project. Even though these words really help to tell a story about the card, the real story is in all the cards. And this new idea, this passion project, is getting weaved into that story either in the past, present, or future. If you're new to tarot, I hope that my content helps you learn and memorize tarot cards. The best way to remember cards is to keep practicing tarot. Thanks for watching.